Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the milestone page in ZeuZ. From Project Management, click on Milestone View. Here, you can view and manage your team's milestones. As you can see, my Milestone View page contains a variety of tickets, including requirements with no tasks, overdue, not started, started, not tested, and more. You can apply filters for different users to view their milestones. For example, I can clear the current user filter, search for another user, and filter by requirements, tasks, bugs, or documents to see only the information I need. Here, you can also see all the active milestones that are currently running, and you can quickly change the status of a milestone. At a glance, you can view the used hours and remaining hours for the current milestone. You can also filter or group the data by developer or QA. Next, we have the settings. From here, you can customize which ticket types are displayed. For example, if I don't want to see tasks, I can hide them. I can also hide bugs, requirements, and other ticket types. You can also change the column width to small, medium, or large. If I want to see more information, I'll choose large. Otherwise, I can use medium or small. You can also manage options such as the progress bar, folders, milestones, found version, and more. Everything can be managed from this page. You can also save your current filters as a preset. The next time you come back, you can simply select the preset and all of your saved filters will be applied automatically. You can also drag and drop tickets to move them from one column to another. That's all for the milestone page. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.